Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana integrations with Slack for team updates step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Search for Slack in the integrations list. Click on the Slack integration option. Select the Install button to start the integration process. Authorize the connection between Asana and Slack. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect. Grant necessary permissions for Asana to send updates to Slack. Once connected, set up a channel for notifications. Select which Asana project you want to receive updates from. Configure the types of updates you want to receive in Slack. Choose if you want updates for new tasks, comments, or completed tasks. Click on Save or Done to finalize your settings. Test the integration by creating a new task in Asana. Check the selected Slack channel to verify if the update appears. Adjust any notification settings as needed for your workflow. Repeat the setup for any additional projects or channels as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.